Welcome to the series of Angular web application from scratch. In the previous videos of this series, we have seen how to initiate an Angular 16 project, add bootstrap styling, add login component, handle login form submission. We also have the form validation. We already set up a server, a Node Express TypeScript Mongo server, and integrated the login API. If you log in, you can see calling the server API, and here is the two-star notification. We added the common nav layout where we have the home to-dos and the new to-dos, and we also showing the current logged in username after login by decoding the JWT token, and we also have the logout. But if I log out and if I try to access the routes, whatever we have, like the to-dos, so we are able to access. Here it's not showing the current username and the logout button because we are checking the token is present or not, but here it's redirecting to our API, which is not desirable because if the user have the valid token, then only he can access the dashboard and the to-dos or the new to-dos. But now he can access. So today we will add the auth guard here so that it will check whenever a new route will navigate, it will check if the token is present or not. If it's not present, then it will redirect it to the login page. So let's get started. So here it's our Angular application project, and here it's the server. You can see the application is running on the 4200, the Angular application, web application, and the server is running at the localhost 3001. So first I will add the auth guard here, and the command is the ng generate guard / auth guard. So it will create a auth guard ts files and the component inside app folder. So I will press enter. So I am outside of the project, so I have to change the directory to my demo. And next I will execute this command, and I will use the can activate here, can activate type auth guard. So I will select, and you can see here guards directory created, and inside guard directory we have the auth guard ts and the auth guard spec.ts. Now I will change little bit here the auth guard.ts. First I will remove all. So here basically the auth guard or the router guards protects routes and are used to ensure that the user is authenticated before navigating to the specific routes. So this auth guard actually implements the can activate interface. The card is designed to control access to a particular route based on whether the user is authenticated or not. Here the @injectable provides root. This decorator marks the auth guard as an injectable service and specifies that it should be provided at the root level. This means there will be a single instance of this service shared across the entire applications. Next, we implement the can activate here. The authguard class implements this interface. This interface equals the implementation of the can activate method, which is called by the Angular router to determine if the router can be activated. So here is our can activate method. So the route, these routes, basically the activated route snapshot, information about the route that is being activated. And next we have the state, router state snapshot, the state of the router at the moment the card is run. The method returns a boolean, a URL tree, an observable of the boolean of URL tree, or a promise that resolves to a boolean or URL tree. So if the user is logged in, this.authservice.isLoggedIn return true. If the user is not logged in, the method will return URL tree created using the this.router.create URL and the logged in. So this will effectively redirect the user to the login route. Now I will apply this can activate in the router, in the route of our common components. So I will go to the app routing module.ts, and here I will apply the can activate the auth guard in the common layout. Now I will check if it's working or not. So we don't have any compilation error. So it's compiled successfully. Now I will go to the browser and check. First I will try login, and here is successfully login. You can see, and here I can navigate to the route to do new to do, and it's showing the logout. If I log out now, I don't have the token and I already log out. If I try to access this to do's route, you can see it's redirected to the login page. Same for the new to do, it's redirected to the page, and same for the home also. But if I logged in, then I can access those routes, the to-dos and new to-dos by clicking here the new to-do and the home. So that's all for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please share the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.